Hey guys, here are this. Welcome back and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm starting this vlog at the middle of nowhere. So today is a Friday and it's the afternoon, and the last student is going home today. The social work student, you've seen her in my vlogs. You know her very well. So she's the one that's going back today. So I said, like, let me vlog, guys. Let me vlog because content is life, ne? So that's what we are doing today. Right now we are going to the airport, and let's not talk about my skin. It's showing me flames, but again, it's not about that. Today is about the girl. So let's go get the girl who's leaving. It's actually not a joyous day. It's like emotional kind of day, but again, we survive. Okay. So guys, if you're a returning subscriber, before I forget, thank you for coming back. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you are notified each time I post a video. I hope you enjoy the vlog, guys. It's gonna be short and brief. Is it the prayer meeting? I'm not sure. Gail, are you ready?
Yeah.
South Sudan is calling your name. Yes, girl. Yes, girl.
Speak Malayalam 247. Very stressful. If you're finished, just say thank you, God. I need it.
Amen. 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 The effort fit. Okay. 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 South Sudanese mom. All right. Give them to them, girl. So artists were ready to go to the airport. Her sister was fixing her hair right now here. So other students wanted to come into the airport. They just came to say their goodbyes. This is Prince from Nigeria. Also, he just happened to be here because he's in another campus. Then we have the emotional goodbyes, Kesana. Oh my God. But you know what makes it so emotional is because she was the last one to go, which means that everyone else has left. Yo, how did you survive this day? I still don't know. I still don't. But yeah, we did. Oh my goodness. Some moments in Jake Sana, we can't forget them. This is when we're trying to get the bags into the Uber so that we can all fit in. He was very helpful, Shem, our in-law. Leaving of your party partner. Your party partner is coming.
Record us to me and yeah, she doesn't mind.
Okay.
So there's a party in Kottayam. There's an airport in Kochi. Okay, okay. So guys, we are going with the beauty from South Sudan. We are dropping. So we are dropping. Okay. See you. Yeah, see you guys. Reveal yourself. We are here. Sad. We are very sad. We want to cry, but we have nothing to do.
Okay, guys, there's no more turning back. The girl is going back to Saturday. Today. Hey, Nkosi yami, mina le ndoda esihamba ngayo, Nkosi yami, Nkosi yeJehova. Sometimes young people are better than old people anyway. Because the speed limit, we don't need it right now. I'm not joking. We don't need the speed limit. We need,
I don't have problem.
we need the men to move fast, guys. We know. Scatter see.
Whatever, but I'm looking here.
Guys, guys, if you have a man, you don't get out of the car by yourself. Let the man hold your hand. Shame. How difficult was it for Shana to leave this car in the airport? My sister. Hey artists, so we have reached the airport. Don't mind my mouth. Sesifikile ke airport. Okay?
Which one?
I guess sana. Let's go. So yeah, we are in the airport right now. So the girls about to leave. If people will push this thing now. Inkinga. Inkinga. It. Times are hard. Times are hard. Like, girl. Mr. Samatini, so alright. That's corner, guys. The girl's leaving. Hi.
I'm the one traveling, not them.
Yeah, my subbies. Actually, in the line right now, close to the gate is if I'm traveling, because I had to run and catch the line this side. Yeah, bo. Guys, I ran. I ran to be in this position. You see, black people, black people. So yeah, guys, we are a few minutes away from the check-in place. Accept Shungu. Yo, but yeah, we are surviving. It was at this moment here, out this, I knew it, that she was leaving. She was going back home. Wow. They never told us that in like when you come to abroad, people are gonna leave before you and you're gonna be left to make new friends, to make new faces. And there she is, our South Sudanese girl, going home. We wish her all the best though. Okay. Good morning, artists. Today is a Sunday. I thought I should just, you know, come here and say hi, guys. I'm going to the library, as you can see, because yesterday I went there. So I went there right yesterday, and it was closed. And I didn't do any work since I started this week, because the research has been having me with the neck, guys. Kind of like, you know. So right now, I am going to the library to get some work done. As usual, phones are not allowed in the library, but this time around I'm not taking my phone inside. So, yeah, please see you afterwards. Bye bye.
Lapha nje, ngilapha nje, akusikukuthanda kwami, uthanda kwenkosi, nabakithi abalele. Ngilapha nje, ngilapha nje, akusikukuthanda kwami, uthanda kwenkosi, nabakithi abalele. Ngoba abanye bayasokola, abanye bayasokola, ikati lele
So I just came out from the library. I couldn't do absolutely anything because I'm not feeling the topic yet. I tried to look into some articles. Yeah, I read some articles. I read some previous researches from other students, and yeah, my head is full right now. It's about to explode. Yeah. But again, I will work on my objectives tonight before I sleep, so tomorrow I can go to and meet my supervisor. Because this research is the only thing I'm living for, like these days, and I have to start studying for internal exams. Yeah, also. So okay, abo, I shame. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the vlog. I know it's a bit messy, but yeah, guys, we keep on them going, okay? If you watched till this far, thank you for coming back. You're an all-time Audi, okay? And if you're still new and you still watch till this far, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until the next video, I love you guys so much. That's that. Love you.